Hi guys, today I was craving for smileys, so I will also be sharing my smiley recipe with you all. This is a very quick and easy evening snacks recipe, so let's get started. So I have taken one big potato which I have already boiled in a plain water for 15 minutes and kept. We are now going to add 2 teaspoons of corn flour just to bind the potato mash, which we will be doing it later on. Then I added 2 teaspoons of rice flour for the smileys to have crispy texture outside. If you have breadcrumbs, that's even better. As I didn't have them, I used rice flour here, which works the same. Then you need some salt, a pinch of cumin or jeera powder, which is optional, but this will
get you a good flavor without being just potato mash. And jeera is also good for digestion and cools your body.
mash it into a smooth paste. You can also sieve the mixture to avoid the lumps of the potatoes, but I like them as it is, so I'm not going to sieve it. Then I added turmeric powder for the bright yellow color, and
also turmeric has antibacterial properties. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I post videos every week.
After mixing all this, take some dough, work with small amounts first. I am rolling it and to cut them in circle shape, I am using a small bowl which I had in my kitchen. Remove the circles carefully and place it on a plate.
Do the same for the remaining dough. So here, I like smileys to be thin, which is actually thinner than the McCain Smileys. So if you want more thicker, you can do it as well. You just have to roll the dough more thick than this. For making the eyes and smile, I used a toothpick and a spoon. Do the same for remaining dough.
Now for the deep fry, heat the oil in a pan or a hollow vessel. The oil should be very hot because as the potatoes are already boiled once, we just have to get the outside part crispy. So add the smiley and fry them each side till it's good yellow as McCain's. It takes just 2 to 3 seconds and remove it on a tissue paper to absorb the excess oil and continue this process.
Oil is not very hot, there is a chance that your potato smileys won't turn out crispy. Instead, it will absorb all the oil from the pan inside and get soggy.
So make sure your oil is very hot.
There you go, our smileys are ready. You can serve them with ketchup or mayo. I mix them both.
If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe if you still didn't. Thanks for watching. Bye.